Hi everyone, meet again with me on the Arsian channel. Dan Dan, here is my drawing project. Hope you all are always healthy. This time I will draw one of the character and this is the Dan Season 2 trailer with the anime will release. Here I will draw Okarun and Momo Ayase the main character. Let's look for the picture. This is the otaku version of Okarun. Or real name Ken Takakura. And this is the picture of Momo Ayase. Yeah, this is Momo Ayase. Okay, let's start drawing. I will prepare all the drawing equipment. I will draw Okarun first. I am going to create the basic frame for the face type. So I am going to create a circle around here. Like this. And I put a crossing line like this. Okay, like this. Why am I interested in drawing Dandaran? Because this anime caught my attention. I have finished watching the first season. This anime combines many elements. There is action, mystery, horror, comedy, school and tennis romance. There are aliens and ghosts in this anime story. Well, I have finished drawing the otaku version of Okarun. Now I will move on to start drawing more Ayase on the left side of Okarun. I'm going to create a circle around here to draw Momo Ayase first. Really an animal with a unique concept. Many say this will be the successor anime to Jujutsu Kaisen. Well, I finished drawing the anime character Chandaran. Now I will erase this drawing with an eraser and color it. I will make Okarun into yokai mode. I have finished drawing the yokai version of Okarun. In this drawing, Okarun uses the power of the fastest yokai, namely Granite Turbo. Next, I will color Momo Ayase. I didn't change the initial drawing of Momo Ayase, just color it. I will start now. Okay, I have finished coloring Mama Ayase. I have completely finished drawing this project. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my video. I am really satisfied with this result. See you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.